Bro, I'm freaking out. Like, I almost didn't want to do that walking through the door intro and set this up because somebody's playing an online goof with me and I'm kind of freaking out right now. Sorry, where are my manners? Back in action, we back in the action, boys. And then we cut the bullshit. So I haven't really talked to you guys about what's been going on this past week, and I didn't want to get more... Who's calling me, man? Unknown number. That freaks me out even more. Jesus.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Hello? False alarm. It was my girlfriend calling from work. Bro, I'm on edge right now. So I haven't told you guys about this. Like, it's been going on the past week, and I didn't want to tell y'all because I didn't want other people trying to replicate what's going on. The past week, my mailbox has been filled with like letters and from y'all. I don't know who found out my address. A lot of them have been great, so I'm gonna read those in another video now that I guess you guys know what's going on. I also got a death threat the other day. Literally, I don't know who it was from. There was no name on the damn thing. It was a... Hold on, let me see if I can find it actually. It's a lost cause. It's not happening. Anyway, it says something about like eat a dick and go die, and I know where you live. No shit! And I'm wondering how you know that. So I don't know what's going on.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
I don't know why I just thought about this. Maybe. Hold on a second. Oh, okay. I'm a retard. I'm stupid. It's kind of false alarm, but also scary. Hopefully a lot of people don't have this written down. On my merch website, like an idiot, I think I have my address. Yep, there it is at the bottom. Help page at the bottom. I'm gonna change that. Nobody's gonna find that. Anyway, so I guess I just found the cause. I swear to God, this is not set up because I just got a package at my door that really set up this whole like I'm freaking out thing. Anyway, you gotta figure it out. If you guys have my address, use it for good and not evil, please. That would be dope. The death threats get to me. They're kind of freaking. My girlfriend got mad at me for that shit. Actually, you're like, Brandon, why are you getting death threats, you idiot? I don't know why I'm the idiot here because somebody found my address. Now that I found out how they got the address, I guess I am the idiot. It's weird how girlfriends are like always right. Quick tip though, never tell them that. Always bullshit your way through the rightness. Anyway, this whole thing got brought on today because I actually got a package in the mail. I'm gonna open it up for you guys because it might... Panda. Panda. No, Panda, Panda, no! Oh God, oh God, oh God.
A few moments later.
Oh shit, what is my day, man? My dog just had a rabbit outside, and now I'm crying like a bitch. Dude, I hate seeing animals die. It didn't die though, it's all Gucci. I had to pry the thing out of her fucking mouth. Jesus Christ. Anyway, long story short, I just got this package at my door. I'm assuming it's from somebody who found my address because I didn't order what this is and I have no idea who it's from with their shipping info. So I thought I'd open it up for you guys because actually if you guys don't live in Canada, we usually get like import charges with our packages. It's like tax fees, super gay. And it cost me like 50 bucks. And I thought, you know what, this might be worth it because it feels heavy enough to be something dope, but it could also be a live snake, which would freak me the f out. So hey, let's unbox it today, man. My life has been weird lately, boys. But of course y'all know the NameBran fam's real strong. We're marking the game the greatest of all time. If you guys want to give some support down below, blow. There's a nice little achievable thumbs up button down there. If you click it, you'll die instantly. Go try it out. Also, if you guys want to leave comments, it's all Gucci. And notification squad, y'all gotta hit that bell. I'm gonna start this thing actually only for my notification fam where I'm only gonna give shirts to you guys. I'm done with the giving shirts to people that might be watching this like 20 days down the line that really don't know me. So if you guys hit that notification button, I'll be giving shirts out periodically to like the first minute people that leave comments. So y'all might want to do that. Anyway, boys, drama aside for now, let's get into this package by a possible snake murderer. God, I hope not. I don't like snakes, bro. Well, I'd like them as pets, like I think it'd be really dope, but if I see them in the wild, I'm gonna freak out. I'm gonna grab it and snap it and then cry. Because I don't like seeing dead things, once again. But of course, y'all know we got a question at hand, man. Y'all say it with me, boys! Ah! Fuck! Of course the kids. It's actually NameBran. How are you gonna open up that package, you puss? Now if you guys see, it's already slid open a little bit because I was trying to hear for a tick. I'm really paranoid sometimes and there's no ticking. There's no hissing. Ah! Just kidding, that was an edit. I've been really working on this. Woo, okay. There actually is sneakers in here. I have not taken a look yet, but I also do see a note. I'm trying to grab her. There's a piece of paper. Oh, it's a note. It says, Brandon NameBran weed. This is actually a good one. This is a good package. Thank you so much. Continue making content. Really enjoy it. You don't fabricate things like other YouTubers. You keep it real. Keep marking the game. NameBran fam. By Clout Drop. Right there. He's got some personal stuff on the inside, so I'm not going to say that. Clout Drop. Appreciate you, man. That's really, really sick. Maybe you have like a website? I don't know. Let's just look at what's in there. Oh my god. So, wow. No way you sent this to me, man. No way. Oh. Okay, so I've been really getting into Vans lately. If you guys, this is perfect for me. If you guys know me, I don't rock Yeezys or I don't rock cool things like this ever. I just think it's kind of stupid. I like my NMDs. I like my simple shoes. The shoes that I could go out and step in puddles with and not cry after. You know what I mean? So this looks like something right up my alley. I actually been wanting a pair of Vans, man. I don't know if you knew this or not, dude. If you have a website and you're watching this video, just like leave it down below. Because these are absolutely customs. Wow, as y'all can say, this is the first pair he sent me. It looks like, yep, there's another pair in a box. We got BAPE Vans, boys. This is so sweet of you. I think these are real Vans too. You guys let me know. I don't know Vans legit checks. I don't know if they're supposed to have a Vans logo here. Definitely not an actual collaboration, but these things are so lit. Now here's the thing, man, that I really think about a lot. I don't rock fake sneakers. Like, see, these are fake right here. These are fake right here. I would not rock these because these are on a fake NMD. However, what I've been getting really into lately is rocking real sneakers, like real Vans like these. They're not knockoff Vans, but that are actually just customized to be really sick. So it's not necessarily a fake sneaker, it's just a really dope custom. I've been looking at stuff like that. I haven't copped anything like that. And I promise you guys, I did not purchase these either. We got a note here from the dude. Maybe he hit me up or something a while back. I don't know. This is a weird time with a lot of people sending me a bunch of random stuff this week for this to come in. Anyway, here's what we got here first, man. This is so sick. I appreciate you, man. What size are they? 10.5. I can fit that. I can definitely fit that. I don't know what I am in Vans, but I'll make it happen. WGM right there, that stands for Wigger Gunman. Wigger Gunman, that's literally me. This is so sick, man. How much do these cost? You gotta be like $2,500 shoes right here. If anyone wants to buy them for $5 grand, I got you. Just kidding, I'll keep these forever. Yeah, so we got the leather here, we got the shark tooth print right here, we got the BAPE, I don't know how you stuck this on, bro. I don't know what wizardry this is, but Harry Potter could go to the bathroom, pull down, who's that douchey dude with the orange hair? That guy. I'll find him online. Anyway, pull down his pants and start sucking, bro. You ain't got nothing on this. This is magical. This is absolutely magical. So they're really dope. That's the first pair. I can't wait to see what the other pair is because it's in a box. But you guys let me know if you know if these are real Vans or not. I would say they are. That's the insert and everything like that. But they just look like they're heavily customized in the most beautiful way possible. Thank you so much for this, man. I gotta find your name or something like that. Clipdrop.com. Go search it. I appreciate it. This is so sick. Next up, man, we got one. Oh! I don't know why I opened the box without showing y'all first. We got another pair of custom Vans in a Van box. All y'all need to see right away is these laces. You'll know exactly what these are. And they say shoelaces on them. These are absolute custom kicks. So of course you guys know up next we got a pair of off-white custom Vans. These are remarkable. How do you do this? This isn't Sharpie work, man. This is next level customization. That's not paint either. Maybe it is paint. I don't know. Here's what these ones are. I love this colorway, dude. It's got like that very peachy or whatever colorway. We got the Vans We got the tag right here. You actually even got this little custom Vans orange thing right here. I can't wait to check out your website. This is so sick. And in case y'all didn't think that was enough, this dude went more than Harry Potter on this. He went Gandalf. Gandalf, is that it? Lord of the Rings reference. Is he magical? I'm not even sure. Hate those movies. Star Wars all the way. Anyway, we got custom Van insert right there, which is so sick, man. He did this all himself, maybe. This might just be a huge corporation. Wow, man, that's so sick. Is the other shoe different or what? No, it's the same thing on the other shoe. It doesn't have the hang tag, but that's what we have for today's unboxing. That's unbelievable. This is literally, I had no idea what was in this box. This is so cool. I appreciate y'all for watching this. You guys let me know what your favorite pair is. Whether it be these BAPE ones or these custom off-white Van ones. I'm gonna have to go with the colorway on this, but the customization skills on these BAPE ones. Appreciate y'all for watching, man. I appreciate you guys hearing my rant at the beginning because it's been really freaking me out all day, all week, all night. I didn't sleep last night, boys. I sat by my back door with my Supreme AK-47 just hoping when they bust in the door they think it's real. Rat-ta-ta! That's all I'd be able to say, and then I'd probably get shanked. Anyway, boys, appreciate you guys so much for watching this video. Leave comments down below what you guys think about this stuff. This is very, very cool. So unexpected. Can't wait to rock these. Y'all American the game, the greatest of all time. I don't think we're gonna do a shirt giveaway today. I'm not sure. I'll say down below if we're doing a shirt giveaway. I gotta check stock. But I appreciate you guys. NameBran fam. Once again, American the game, the greatest of all time. Y'all the goods. Blow. Fuck, I can never cover it right. There we go.